Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space C colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type C colon and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space C colon / and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space C colon / and simply hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space C colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space C colon / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space C colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space C colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.